Hi guys, and welcome back to Caterpillar Cross Stitch. In this week's video, I wanted to take you along with us and give you a glimpse into everything that's coming up for 2021, all of the exciting plans, projects and launches that we've got organised for you. If you're new around here, then hi, I'm Sally. I'm the owner and designer here at Caterpillar Cross Stitch, and I would absolutely love to have you join our community. So please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I upload new videos every single week, all about cross stitch. So if you've been part of this community for a while, you probably will have heard me talk about Love It, Stitch It. This is something that I've been working on for a number of years, loveitstitchit.com. It's easy to use for beginners or the more advanced cross-stitch designer. Easy to use cross-stitch design software. So running this business and as a designer myself, over the last 5-6 years, we've had so many inquiries on a daily, weekly basis, either to commission me to design something really personal and unique to you, or for help in designing your own cross-stitch patterns. So there are a couple of options out there, but I thought it would be a great idea to bring everything together and create a really united community of cross-stitchers and have this software that isn't expensive, it doesn't need to be downloaded, it's not really technical and difficult to use. It's got all of the amazing features and functions that you're going to need to design your own cross-stitch patterns, but in a really easy to use format. Another great thing about Love It, Stitch It is it's really a supportive community. We have full support available, a dedicated Facebook group for members, I'll link that down below, and there's a whole ton of video tutorials so that if you're not sure how to get going, we will be able to show you exactly what you need to do, give you inspiration, trends and ideas, even if that's just adding a name or date of birth or a word onto something, will help you achieve that design that you've got in your head. So one of the options when you've designed your amazing cross-stitch pattern is to upload it onto the dedicated cross-stitch marketplace. So unlike other marketplaces that are crowded, there's all kinds of different crafts in there, and also some of the products or designs might not be of the best quality, they're not properly checked, there might be copyright issues. All of the designs that are uploaded and sold on the Love It, Stitch It marketplace are completely quality checked, so that if someone is shopping there, they know that they are really great quality designs from a whole ton of designers from all over the world, and they've got a whole range of designs to choose from. There's loads of tags so users can really easily see and find the design they're looking for. Of course, if you've done your cross-stitch pattern and you want to keep that just for you, download it easily as a PDF. It doesn't need to be shared with anyone. But if you've used the design software and created this gorgeous creation, you might choose to then share that with the world, and why not make money and sell it on the marketplace at the same time. Of course, people can visit loveitstitchit.com even if they don't want to design a cross-stitch pattern or in fact sell anything. They can just visit and shop from thousands of great quality cross-stitch patterns from their favourite designers easily on the marketplace. I'm so excited for you to see all of the features available on the Love It, Stitch It software. As a designer, I know all of the functions and features that I use on a daily basis, but these aren't complicated, they're not difficult to use, and we're going to hold your hand and talk you through it step by step. There's every function that you could want, all wrapped up into one easy to use website. So if you're interested in Love It, Stitch It and you'd like to learn more, then please do head over to the website, loveitstitchit.com. I'll put a link down below in the description box, and you will hopefully sign up for the email newsletters and you'll be notified when there are updates and when the platform launches. Also coming up in 2021, I'm so excited to announce that I will be writing a cross-stitch book. This is something I've wanted to do for ages. It's a stash book, so it's relatively small and there's only 6 designs in there. So it's perfect for beginners to give as a gift, or just for some really cute, easy designs that you could probably knock out in about a week or 2. So I will update you all when I know more about the final release date of that. I don't know if you saw in January 2021, but I was actually on the Hochanda shopping channel. This is available on Sky, Freeview, YouTube, on their website, I believe. It's a channel that I've watched on and off over the years. They do all kinds of different crafts, paper crafts, knitting, bits and pieces of cross stitch, all kinds of stuff really, jewelry making. But it's a channel that I was really honoured to partner with, and they've asked me back on a sort of a semi-monthly basis. I'll be on again in March, and then hopefully on a monthly basis rolling throughout the rest of 2021. So if you want to see me in action on the TV, probably a bit nervous with the other presenters and all of the cameras around, then if you head over to hochanda.com, I believe it is, or search for them on YouTube, you'll be able to see some of the clips and enjoy that. And as always, we have 3 stitch along projects coming up in 2021. If you want to know more about stitch alongs, I'll put a link in the description box below where I talk all about what they are and why you should get involved with them. But the one for the first part of 2021 is the arts and crafts themed Made to Create stitch along, which comes in 6 parts. And the next stitch along, which opens for pre-order in April and we start stitching in May 2021, is going to be Hello Sunshine, which is our summer tree, which matches Hello Pumpkin, Hello Deer and Hello Petal, the spring tree, which I know you guys have been waiting for the whole collection for some time. So I'm really happy to be launching that soon. And then of course our Christmas stitch along, which opens for pre-order in August, but I'm not going to give too much away and tell you all of the details of that one just yet. We recently launched our first ever collection of junior stitch kits aimed at children or complete cross stitch beginners. They're aimed at children between around 6 and 13, just depending on their ability. Those have gone down really well, and we absolutely love seeing your photos and videos of little ones learning a new creative hobby from all over the world. So I'm thrilled to announce that there's going to be another 3 designs added to the Junior Stitch Kit collection. We have done a lot of research with the community, and the 3 designs that you guys wanted the most were elephant, dinosaur and dragon. And one of my favourite products to design are our magnetic enamel needle minders. We currently have 17 different designs and they're available on a bundle offer of 3 for £22.50. But we have some really exciting new designs launching soon. One of my favourites is the cute hedgehog. Who doesn't love a hedgehog, right? And of course, to go with our seasons trees, for the Hello Deer Winter Tree Kit, we had a robin. For the Hello Pumpkin Autumn Tree Kit, we had an owl. And for Hello Petal, the spring tree, of course, it's got to be a chick. And for Hello Sunshine, we've got a really colourful tropical bird needle minder. So if you wanted, you could get all 4 of those bird designs. There'll also be a couple of other new standalone needle minder designs coming up soon, and maybe some pin badges too. Of course, another essential for any dedicated cross stitcher is scissors. Now you might think that, what's the difference? They're all the same. But as someone who uses these pretty much every day for years, there is a difference. And our pink and green Carlos the Caterpillar scissors have gone down really well. They're so sharp, perfectly smooth, really easy to use, comfortable, and they look fantastic in your work in progress shots and go really nicely together with all of your other stitchy supplies. But of course, we need to add to this. So if you've seen the Love It Stitch It website or been on the Love It Stitch It Facebook page, one of the natural shades to go for next is our cornflower blue colour, which you guys voted for in the Facebook group. If you're not already a member of that, we've got over 10,000 members now. So I'll put a link down below in the description box if you want to join in with that community. But we will be launching this new exclusive pair of blue scissors really soon. You might not know, but we do actually sell our products wholesale to a select number of retailers all over the world. There's not that many, and we're really quite picky about who we choose to work with. But I was so excited recently to find out that we will be partnering with the National Trust, one of my favourite organisations, a real British institution, to have our kits sold by them. So hopefully when they reopen, head over to their website, take a look in their gift shops and see if you can find some Caterpillar cross-stitch goodies at the National Trust. 2021 will see the launch of our first ever subscription box club. We're calling it the Caterpillar Club Subscription Box. Catchy name. So the first box is opening for pre-order February 2021, and that will be shipped out in March. It's a quarterly subscription box, So there are 4 over the course of the year 2021, and each box is themed. The first box is a leopard print themed, and it's called Spot On. Not only will you receive a smaller cross-stitch kit with all of the supplies in there that you'll need to make that, but also 3 other luxurious, tasty treats. I'm not going to give too much away, but if you really want to see, you can head over to our website or social media, and those will also be included in the subscription box every quarter from some amazing UK small creative businesses. We love hosting virtual stitching social events, so there'll be many more of those coming up over 2021. I know so many of you are not only in the UK, but you might be in America, Canada, Europe, or Australia, New Zealand. So we're going to time these over different days of the week and different time zones so that everyone can take part. The first virtual stitching socials in 2021 will be stitching with our country cottage design. It's a cool cottage. It's not like an old-fashioned traditional one. It's a cool one. So I'm really excited for you to see that. You'll be able to purchase tickets for these events via the website in the first half of the year, and these will be spread out over the coming months, over the summer, autumn, winter, towards the end of 2021. So by the end of 2021, we will have all 4 of our seasons trees. So you will be able to get autumn, winter, spring and summer as a collection. You might choose to put them all up in your home or give them as a gift as a set of 4, or in fact have one special place in your home to display them and change those out every season. Also, I know you guys like the Spring Life pattern, which is the one with the word spring, and it has loads of elements to do with spring in there. They will also be added to, so we will have one of those as well for every season of the year. Another cross-stitch kit design I've been working on for a while, which hopefully will be released around the middle of 2021, is our wedding cross-stitch kit. This isn't something that we've ever done before. Normally, historically, we've focused on baby birth samplers and stitch-alongs and theme designs like that. But a wedding traditionally is one of those occasions where people would put the couple's initials and celebrate the happy day and give it as a gift, whether that's to be framed, put on a cushion, or given and finished off in some other way. So this will be personalised, so you'll be able to add on the initials or names of the happy couple. Now, hopefully, weddings will be able to be going ahead and take place throughout 2021, particularly in the later part of the year. So I really hope that you enjoy stitching that kit too. So I'm really excited for the coming year, and I hope that you will join our community and come along with us for the ride and hopefully enjoy some of the caterpillar cross-stitch stitching on the way. So I would love to know if there's anything you're particularly excited for the coming year, or if there's anything I haven't mentioned that you would particularly love to request. Please do leave me a comment down below. Let me know if there are any products you really want to see us create, any designs, stitch-alongs, or anything else, any questions at all, then I'd love to hear them down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and being here with me this week. There's another video coming up next week, so I will catch you then. Take care, bye.